welcome back to another Superstar Toys video. Who likes PJ Masks? Check out what Superstar's got for us today. It's a giant Catboy egg.
It sure is, Superstars. Check it out. I made a giant Catboy surprise egg. It's full of toys and loads of surprises. Are you excited?
We sure are, Superstar. I can't wait any longer. Let's open it up. Wow, Superstar, you really filled this egg right up to the top with loads of toys.
I sure did. I hope you like all the surprises. There's lots of PJ Masks toys and loads of others too. Have fun!
We sure will. Look at the first toy we found. It's a plush Catboy. Hello, Catboy. I love your blue outfit with your lightning bolts. And look at your stripy tail. And as you're a Catboy, you've got cool cat ears. Hey, Superstar, it looks like you hid all the PJ Masks cars in here too. Wow!
I sure did. I hid Owlette's, Gekko's and Catboy's cars in the egg. Have fun playing with them, guys.
Thanks, Superstar. Let's have a look at them closer one by one. Wow, Catboy's car's super cool. The colour matches his suit. And it's got lightning bolts on the front. It looks super fast. Wow, Owlette's car looks like an owl with lovely big wings and big yellow owl eyes. Super cool. Gekko's car is bright green, just like him. And it's got blue tracks instead of wheels. It looks just like a giant gecko. Let's see who's the fastest PJ Mask. That was so much fun, guys! Now what are the toys his Superstar got in store for us? Wow! It looks like we've got a blue, slimy toilet! And a Slam and Go Blaze! I love Blaze! Let's Slam and Go, Blaze! Whoosh! Now let's check out this park putty. The slime inside's bright blue, just like Catboy. Oh, I love slime. Let's give it a jiggle and a wiggle and a pull. Oh, so squishy and slimy. Whoop. Let's put the slime back in the toilet and then Catboy can sit on the top. What else have you hidden in here, Superstar? Oh wow, it's an Iron Man notebook and some Spider-Man pens. Look at all those different colours. Let's open it up. This one's blue with Spidey on the front. Wow, look at the front of this Avengers notebook. It's got a giant hologram. We've got Hulk, Captain America, Iron Man and Thor. Holograms are so cool. Look at the way they move around. What's up next? Oh wow, Superstar hid a Paw Patrol surprise egg! We love Paw Patrol, don't we, Superstars? Let's open it up! What can we find? A flyer, And some stickers. I can see Marshall, Rubble and Chase. And there's some multicoloured candy. Oh wow, and there's a keychain. Who's on the front? Marshall, Rubble and Chase again, in such a nice blue colour. I can see another surprise egg at the back. It's an orange Star Wars egg. Let's find out what's inside this one. We've got some candy, a flyer, and some cool character Star Wars stickers. And we've got a yo-yo with Darth Vader on the front. Look at his lightsaber. Let's see how this works. Oh wow! We've got a PJ Masks blind bag. I can't wait to find out who's inside this one. There's so many to collect. It looks like Connor, and we know who he turns into, don't we? He's Catboy. Check this out, superstars. It's a Mario Kart Season 2 pullback. Let's open it up. It's a lovely bronze colour and it looks like Princess is driving. Let's see how fast she can go. There's still more toys to go, superstars. Look, we found a torch. It's a Marvel Civil War torch. Let's open it up. So cool. It's blue and red. Let's see if it works. Yay, it works! Wow! Look, we can spy on Catboy close up with our torch. What have we got here? It looks like a ball with a blue octopus inside and lots of purple glitter. Should we see if it bounces? Wow! And it looks like it's flashing too. I love that ball. Okay, let's see what else we've got left. We've got another little Catboy figure. He's super cute. And we've got a Mash'em. It's a Guardians of the Galaxy Mash'ems. Let's see who we've got inside. I think there's 5 to collect. Check this guy out. He's got a blue face and a green mask. He doesn't look too happy. Let's give him a squeeze. Ooh, squidgy, squidgy. I love Mash'ems. Guys, if you like Marvel, you'll like this. It's a surprise bag. It's a Marvel Figure Mascot Series 3. Let's see who we've got. It looks like we've got Hulk. We've got 2 cute stickers, although he looks really angry. And we've got a cute key ring. Look how sweet that is. Woo! Woo! That's super cool. And he's got a little tag. Perfect for holding our keys. It's a match. And the last toy we've got is a sticky-footed green bug. Just like Hulk. Should we see if he sticks to anything? I think he's meant to climb down the wall. Woo! He's a wiggly. Here goes. Let's stick him. Pop. Let's try again. Way!
Hi again, guys. I hope you enjoyed my giant Catboy surprise eggs. I think you opened all of the surprises. I put so many in there. And all the toys looked like they had great fun with you guys.
I think they did, Superstar, and I had great fun too. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to tap on the star and subscribe. See you again soon.